What if your depression isn't a malfunction in your brain, but a signal from your life? For years, we've been told that depression comes from a chemical imbalance, that something is broken inside us. But new research suggests a radically different truth. Your brain may not be the problem, the world around you might be. Scientists have discovered 9 major causes of depression and anxiety. Only 2 of them are biological, such as genes or brain chemistry. The other 7 come from how we live. Loneliness, meaningless work, disconnection from nature, and a lack of purpose. These are not defects. They are human responses to unmet needs. Just like our bodies need food and water, our minds need connection, meaning, and recognition. When those needs are ignored, depression and anxiety can appear, not to shame us, but to warn us. The pain is real, but maybe it's guiding us towards something deeper that needs our attention. In the UK, some doctors have started prescribing something unusual for depression, not pills, but purpose. Patients are invited to join gardening groups, art circles, or volunteer activities. It's called social prescribing, and it's helping people heal through connection and meaning. In Norway, some clinics go even further, offering green therapy where patients care for animals and work in nature. Many of them report feeling stronger, calmer, and more alive. Not because their brain changed, but because their life did. But in our modern world, we often do the opposite. We treat symptoms instead of causes. We isolate ourselves, chase deadlines, scroll endlessly, and compare our lives to everyone else's highlight reel. And when we start to break down, we ask, what's wrong with me? Maybe nothing is wrong with you. Maybe something is wrong around you. Some doctors now prescribe community instead of medication. People gather to garden, share meals, or simply talk. Researchers also warn us about junk values, the endless chase for money, fame, and likes. When people shift toward meaning, connection, and purpose, something changes. Not just in their thoughts, but in their lives. That's when true healing begins. Depression is not a weakness. It is not a glitch in your system. It is a signal, a quiet voice telling you that something important is missing. And when we begin to listen, really listen, we stop blaming ourselves. We start rebuilding, not just to feel better, but to finally feel whole. So what can you do when that signal shows up? You don't have to fix everything at once. Start small. Reach out to someone. Step outside. Write down what matters to you. Talk to someone who listens. Depression may be calling for change, but change begins with one honest step forward. The World Health Organization reminds us that mental health is not just the absence of illness, but the presence of well-being. And that means living in a way that meets your emotional, social, and psychological needs, not just surviving, but growing. This world can be noisy, fast, and demanding. But beneath all of it, your mind is still speaking. Not with blame, not with shame, but with a message. You are meant to connect, to belong, to grow. And no matter where you are right now, healing is possible. Together we begin. A study from the University of Essex found that people who joined social prescribing programs like community gardening reported higher self-esteem, lower anxiety, and felt more connected. They didn't just feel better. Many stopped needing medication altogether. This isn't theory, it's already working. So ask yourself, what if your sadness has something to say? What if it's not just pain, but wisdom waiting to be heard? Maybe it's time we stop asking, what's wrong with me? And start asking, what does my life need?